I will also add in some fish sauce. Fish sauce. My husband and I love to host friends over at our place, so I'm always thinking about what should I cook that I could serve a large number of people. So Laksa Siam is something that I like to make because it's quite communal. For today, I'm going to use ikan patin. We're going to start boiling the fish first. Add about half a pot of water, and into the water I'm going to put in some lemongrass, as well as some asam keping or asam pieces. Here I have about one whole ikan patin, one whole fish. I'm going to leave this to boil until the fish starts turning white, and I'm going to remove the fish and debone it later. While the fish is cooking, I'm going to start preparing the rempah. Into the blender, I'm going to put in about 20 shallots, 10 garlic, 20 dried chillies that has been soaked. I'm also going to add in about 5 green chillies, turmeric. Here is galangal, laksa leaf, one whole handful, Kaffir Lime Leaf. So that's our rempah. If you can smell this now, it's actually very herby. Let's check back on the fish. It's already boiling now. Once you have removed the fish, we are going to still continue using the broth that we have cooked the fish in. And with this broth, we're going to add in the rempah. We're going to boil this down for about 20 to 30 minutes. I'm going to start deboning the fish. It's easy to debone because there are really not much bones in here. The fish is done and the soup is boiling. Mix this fish into the broth. As you add in the fish, you realize the broth will start thickening up as well. I'm going to add in the tamarind paste mixed with water. I will also add in some fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar. The last step is to add in the coconut milk. The broth has been boiling for a while now and it's ready to be served. I have prepared here some rice noodle. The reason why it's blue in color because I have actually soaked it in blue pea flour. Together with the broth and the noodle, I would usually serve it with the condiments. Okay, I'll show you how I usually serve it. There you go, Laksa Siam. Hopefully you'll try this for your next house party when you have your friends over.